Hey dolls! So today's video is, first of all, excuse my messy background. I'm in the middle of doing so many videos right now, but today's video is going to be decorate with me for Easter and spring. Yes, it's that time of the year. It's going to be good weather, fingers crossed. It's a bit cold in Houston. But yeah, we're going to be decorating my apartment and giving it a spring look. And I can't wait to get started. So grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this. Decorate with me because it needs to be decorated. It's messy right now. The decorate with me video. Let's go, dolls. So dolls, instead of doing a decorate with me, I decided to give you a tour of how my apartment looks like from outside to inside. So here is my wreath. I got my wreath from Dollar Tree. I love it. I just added like a bow on it, and that's how it looks like. So we're gonna go inside. Oh, as soon as you come inside, you have this table right here. I'm gonna put my keys down here because that's where my keys always go. We're actually gonna light a candle because I love when I come inside and the first thing I do is put a candle on. So this area here, this is just my kitchen area, and I have this that I got from Dollar Tree. I love this. I just love these. They're so pretty. And I just put these here just to like welcome the spring Easter mood. I have my flowers in the background, my fake flowers in the background, and I have this candle, so it's gonna light this. As you can see, I've burnt this down. I've only had it for less than a few days and I've used so much, and this is the pink lavender espresso from Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna light that. I feel like it's a nice spring candle and it's perfect for the kitchen. So that's how my kitchen looks like, very simple. And next I'm gonna show you the coffee bar, but let's light this candle. I absolutely love this scent, and you really have to get it. It's really a nice soft scent for the kitchen. So I'm going to just light that up. Now we have our mood going. So yeah, that's the kitchen, this area of the kitchen. I'm going to show you. I didn't do much for my coffee bar. I just, I'm not big on doing a coffee bar unless it's Christmas, to be very honest, and fall, autumn stuff. So I'm going to show you what I did here. This area, I was going to do something with bunnies. I was going to do something with bunnies on this side, but I decided to just leave this area as is and not mess with it too much. Over on this side is where all the stuff is going on, and I got this from Dollar Tree. All I did was spray paint it. It was actually a lilac colour. You might still be able to pick that up on camera. All I did was spray paint it and spray painted it pink to match the theme of my apartment. And I added, this is everything you see is from Dollar Tree pretty much. This, I just added a bow on it, and look at these. All from Dollar Tree. I just set that up, and it's just like, I don't want my home to look so Easter-like, just a hint of Easter. It's like I don't really decorate heavy for Easter, so I just want to do something light that you can see a little bit of spring in, and I like the greenery to bring in that kind of moss look. I love it how it just breaks up the pink a little bit, just a little bit, and gives it a bit of a spring look. Over on this side, my coffee bar, I decided again, I want to keep it very plain and straight to the point, and it is just, I love it. Just, again, Dollar Tree, I got these woven eggs from Dollar Tree, and I use the mini moss green grass-like rabbits or bunnies, and I put like carrots scattered. I will move these around because I feel like it's like this is kind of affecting my coffee, like me grabbing it. I might just have like only a few of them in there, but I feel like it came out perfect. I love how it gives here just a very spring has sprung kind of look, and I love it. It's like the Easter bunny has just like threw up all over my kitchen. I love it, and it's just so pretty. And it's not overdone because I just don't like overdone stuff. I like clean spaces, but pretty and pink spaces. So that's how my kitchen came out. I said, nothing too fancy, very straight to the point, very straightforward, very simplistic. And I love how it turned out. So yeah, let's go and see the living room. So I turned off the natural lights. So no, I turned off the artificial lights. So, and just to let the natural light just be on like that, because I just feel like it looks better in natural light. I love my living room. I cannot wait to show you how everything looks like. Should we start over there? Let's start over there. First off, I have this garland that I got from Dollar Tree. Again, it's $5. I thought it's just so cute to have on my mirrors. I'm not trying to be seen. And I moved my living room couches, sofas around, so everything looks different, but I just love it just hanging there. Kind of like on Valentine's Day, I had some kind of love heart thing hanging there. So I did something with bunny ears, and I think that's so cute. So that's going to be there to get in the background because I'm just not dressed well for this video. So moving along, I decided to leave this sofa that I have here, my little chase, very like plain and just like, I don't know, because it was never on this side. It's always been on this side of my living room. So I decided to just leave it. Oh my God, I just showed you a glimpse of the main area. I decided to leave it here because I don't know, I might move it again. I feel like it's time to move it again. I'm indecisive, but I decided to have these gorgeous rhinestone pillow here. And then I just felt it makes my chase look, because chases look luxurious to me. So I decided to leave that in the corner. And then I have this Paris pillow. I moved it on this side. I have my bow on this side. That's how this is. And I like how the silver in that ties into the silver pieces inside this little throw. So that's that. As usual, I have a little basket. Probably I would move this to be on the end of here. I don't know. But I have this little basket in the corner. It's always there. It's always in every season. And then finally, the chair. I was going to say the chase. The chair. So let me like give you an introduction. So I linked this down below. I found this some months ago. Wait, let me show you the corner here. Nothing really special. I just moved things on the coffee table here. So I have, this just fell down. No, all of this is what would have been on the coffee table. I just moved it around and changed the flowers to be on this side. So here, I love my pillows. I think it's just so perfect for Easter. These cute velvet bunnies. It kind of reminds me of the pillows I had during Christmas, but with reindeers. I love this. It feels so soft and it's pink. It's pretty. And they're matching pillows. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them. And it has a little pom-pom on the bum. I think I just love my pillows. They're just so gorgeous. And then I have this ruffle pillow, which I got years ago at Home Goods. And I feel like ruffles in the spring just look so girly, so romantic and just feminine. I just thought that whole setup goes really good together. I need to kind of pull this up a bit because I want this to, yeah, these need to come up a little bit. So much better. I love the little bunny's bum, as I said. It's all furry and pretty, and you can get them on Amazon through my link. So definitely go and look at my link. I just love everything about my chair. It's just so pretty. It's not like, it's just perfect. It's the perfect amount of Easter decor. I don't like when things are overly done, and I feel like it's just the perfect amount. And look above to tie in with the spring. Look at that, LB. And the florals, it just ties in so well. Like, it's just so, I love it. And yeah, I'm obsessed. Let me show you what's on my TV behind me. Oh, look at this. I always have art on my TV. I'm going to get my TV framed in gold, but I always have art, and this fits the theme of my like spring look. So I will put a link down below where you can get this, but in the background of my mirror, it's such a gorgeous, it looks like I have artwork on my wall, and I love it. Dolls, can you see it? Look at it. So that's how it looks like. And I love how my chandelier just like is hanging in the corner, but you can see the artwork. It looks like a piece of art. Like, this area of my living room behind me is bare. You guys never see it. It's always so bare. So I decided to just dress it up a bit. I have not finished decorating my apartment, dolls, so bear with me. Bear with me, it's bare. And then I just, now the view that you dolls really want to see. Oh, so gorgeous. We're about to look at this and dissect it. I am just loving this view. It's so pretty. I wish the sunlight will come out because I really want to show you this like in sunlight. I think it looks so gorgeous in natural light, but the sun is playing games today. Look, it's so dull. Now I start filming, the sun just like so ugly and dull. But anyway, I'm gonna have to do this because I really want you dolls to see this video on time. So yeah, let's look at it. So I absolutely love my coffee table. It's so pretty. I love how everything came out. So this right here is actually a DIY. I did it myself. It's from Dollar Tree. I posted this and everyone absolutely, oops, we lost one. Everyone absolutely loved this right here. It's so pretty. It's such a gem and it's only $3 at Dollar Tree. It says Happy Easter. It's this gorgeous, like pretty, like shabby, not even shabby chic, very like royal core and princess core like. It gives me that vibe, you know, like Alice in Wonderland. It's just so pretty. It's a huge Easter egg. And all I did was I got this from Dollar Tree, the bow. I made a little bow and I got this glass from Dollar Tree and I just super glued it on there. And it looks so gorgeous. Like, look at it. It just looks so stunning. And I like it because on its own, it's just boring. Like, it's not boring. Sorry, let me take that back. On its own, it's just, okay, you know, an egg. But it's like elevated on this clear glass. I just love it and it looks so stunning. So that's the view when you're looking at my couch, when you're looking at my sofa. This is such a gorgeous view. I decided I want so much greenery, so much moss, because I'm always with pink. I want to bring real like spring vibes, not just only pink. So I decided to add the green. I love the green. I love all of that grassy look it has. I love the bows. I added the bows on all of these. I got all of these from Dollar Tree. And down here I got the carrots from Dollar Tree. They got big ones and small ones. I got these gold Easter eggs from Dollar Tree as well. I decided to add those in because I like how the gold, I love gold and the grassy look, the greenery look tied in together. And I love it against the pink. It just adds to, like, I have a lot of gold in my living room, the gold, like a lot of gold. So I decided to tie that look in down here with the eggs scattered. So I am just obsessed. I'm literally lying on my floor filming this, dolls, because it's such a nice tour. Like, I like you being here with me, dolls. So I just want to get comfortable. So I'm trying to hide. Can you see me in the mirror trying to hide? Like, but yeah, I love this view. I think it's such a stunning view. I can't get enough of it. It's definitely the moment. And can you see the little frame in the background? It looks so magical. I love it. So if you're coming to my house this season, you're going to feel really comfy. I just love it. I can't get enough of my living room. Like, it's such, oh, that's why I didn't want to do a decorate with me, because there's not much going on, but there's a lot going on, if it makes sense. I just didn't want to take you through a long decorate with me of showing you the shortest things to do. Like, I wanted to, you know, just do it and have it ready. So I hope you dolls appreciate this view. I am obsessed. I love it. And this is how the outside, this is how it looks like. I'm sitting on the floor, by the way. I love this view. And then the chandelier on top is just so, I just love it. I love it. It's a very short video, but I want to give you a nice tour for Easter. As I said, I don't decorate much for Easter, but the little I do, I just wanted to show you dolls. And here it is, my decorate with me video. So I hope you dolls enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed decorating. And I just love the bunny look. So I'm going to give you like one last view, and then the video will be done.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms, sending flowers to me.
you enjoyed this decorate with me video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you love about my video dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches, bye dolls.
Flowers, flowers to me.